Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD.
What are the best WordPress email plugins in 2024? Here's a breakdown of some top WordPress email plugins relevant for 2024, categorized based on their strengths. Popular all-in-one solutions, MailPod, a user-friendly and feature-rich plugin with a free tier and paid plans for advanced functionalities. Offers email creation, list management, automation, and analytics. MailChimp Free Plan Limited integrates well with other MailChimp services. While the free plan has limitations, paid plans offer extensive features like marketing automation and A/B testing. HubSpot WordPress plugin connects your website to the HubSpot CRM platform, providing email marketing tools alongside lead capture forms, live chat, and analytics. However, advanced features require a HubSpot subscription. SendPress Newsletters offers a good balance of features and affordability. Provides email creation, list management, automation, and integrations with popular email marketing services, free and open source option. Mailster, a powerful and free option with features like email creation, list management, automation, and integrations with some email marketing services. However, premium add-ons offer additional functionalities. Focus on email deliverability. WP Mail SMTP by WebForms doesn't handle email marketing functionalities, but focuses on improving email deliverability by using a transactional email service like SendGrid, Amazon SaaS. This ensures your emails land in inboxes and avoids spam folders. Additional options. Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, offers a free plan with email marketing features and paid plans with additional functionalities like marketing automation and CRM integration. Thrive Leads focuses on lead capture forms and integrates with various email marketing services. While not strictly an email marketing plugin, it can be valuable for building your email list. Choosing the right plugin. The best plugin for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Consider factors like features. Do you need basic functionalities like email creation and list management, or do you require advanced features like marketing automation and A/B testing? Email deliverability. Will you be using a transactional email service to improve deliverability? Budget. Do you prefer a free plugin with limitations or invest in a paid plan with more features? Ease of use. How comfortable are you with setting up and using the plugin? By considering these factors, you can choose the WordPress email plugin that best suits your requirements for a successful email marketing strategy in 2024.
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.